Hey guys, I would be very grateful to be of help to you. So here, when I'm starting my own channel, then I would like to tell you that how this channel can be of benefit to you. Firstly, I will like to tell you that this channel is useful for any person who wants to achieve any kind of goal in his life. Because here I will be sharing the knowledge from the best-selling books in the category of self-improvement. In this connection, firstly I will share the knowledge from the book Think and Grow Rich, which is written by Napoleon Hill, and the author has written this book by collecting information from more than 500 most successful people. And for this work, he has spent more than 25 years of his life. Now you can imagine that how valuable this information can be for us if we apply practically in our life. Secondly, I will be sharing the knowledge from the book How to Win Friends and Influence People. This book is considered one of the best-selling books in the category of dealing with the people. Your success as much as 85% depends on your capability to deal with the people. There is an old saying also that if you want to walk fastly, then you have to walk alone. But if you want to walk for a long distance, then you have to walk along with the people. And this saying describes very correctly the importance of dealing with the people in your success for a long term. So you should see my videos in order to get the principles of this book and apply them practically in your life to achieve your success as much as 85%, and only you have to put the rest of the 15% on your own efforts. Thirdly, I will be sharing the knowledge from the book The Intelligent Investor. It is written by Benjamin Graham, and Benjamin Graham is considered to be the mentor of Warren Buffett. And Warren Buffett, who is the best investor, himself recommends this book to be read by every investor in order to get a correct understanding of the market. So if you want to get a good investment return on your investment, then you should gather the information from this book through my videos or any other source you can choose. Also, one more major benefit I want to share, and that is especially important for the NEET aspirants, because I myself have cleared the NEET exam in 2018, and now I want to share my own experiences with the students so that they may also be benefited from it and they would get easier to crack the exam. In this connection, firstly, I will share the NEET tips which I myself have applied during my coaching preparation, and that would be beneficial from the student's point of view, because these are the applied and they are applied just 2 years back. And also in a separate video, I will upload the link to my PDF of my coaching notes which I have made during my preparation, so that you can see through the video's description of that video, and you can access all the notes through that video's description. And also in a separate video, I will share the link to my NEET online crash course which I have made at Udemy. Through that link you can access to that course, you can see its preview, and if you will like that course, then you can also buy it from the Udemy. So these were about the benefits of my channel, and if you are interested in any of these, then you can click on the subscribe button below to subscribe my channel so that you can easily access to my videos, and also you can click on the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I will upload my next video. I will be regularly uploading the videos on such information because reading is my hobby and I am never going to end it up. So meet you soon guys in my next video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye bye.